Oh! Is Robbie smarter than an RC car? We're gonna do 2 tests. 1, I'm gonna play tag with it, and 2, I'm gonna race it. I'm better than that RC car.
What you say to me, fool?
Huh?
I said, what you say about me?
I'm better than you, little boy. I'm better than you. Yeah, this way. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? I'll challenge you to a race.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go! No! 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 Oh! What? No! No! I won.
Who sucks now, little boy? Yeah. Who's bad now? Yeah. Yeah, you slow. Yeah, ow.
Now for test 2. Tag. Okay, ready? I'm it first.
Yes, I'll get it.
Yo, I'm never gonna tag this thing. It's like I'm racing it again. Oh, there's a car back. Yo, it just went into that car. Bring it out, bring it out. Bro, no cheating. Get out from under there. Yo! You want chicken? Yo! Tag! I tagged it! Come and get me, fool! It can't tag me! It can't tag me! I'm too good! I'm the GOAT! Yo! Robbie is dumber than the RC car. What did you say? Robbie's dumber than the RC car, huh?
Yeah, that's right. I'm smarter than you, fool. Yeah.
What'd you say to me? What'd you say to me, little boy? What'd you say to me, little boy? Bro already got stuck. Whatever, he escaped. And there he goes.